Common Groundsel is a widespread, self-pollinating plant that can produce thousands of seeds, reproducing rapidly if allowed to grow. Not only will it take over turf, but it is also toxic to grazing animals and a carrier for plant diseases like black rot and leaf rust. In this video, we'll go over how to identify common groundsels, how to eliminate these weeds from your property, and how to prevent their growth in the upcoming seasons. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. When common groundsel is young, the plant grows as a rosette with an alternating leaf arrangement. Common groundsel's first true leaves are attached to the stem with a petiole, but later leaves will grow straight from the stem itself. Note the deep lobes and the jagged edges. As the plant matures, the stem grows upright, up to 2 feet tall if the plant sees full sunlight. Common groundsel grows several branches, each growing several flower heads. When in bloom, the flower heads grow yellow flowers and usually appear as if they're closed up. They'll even produce white, fluffy seed heads like dandelions when the plant reaches maturity. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Common groundsel is a cool season broadleaf weed. It's considered a winter annual, but can also be regarded as a summer annual in areas where the summers stay cool enough. The plant typically germinates from late fall to early spring. It will reach maturity and produce seeds towards the late spring and early summer, then die as the summer warms up. Common groundsel thrives in moist, fertile soil, but it can also grow along roadsides or other disturbed areas. Common sites include, but are not limited to, plant beds, gardens, croplands, and greenhouses. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. The best way to control a weed infestation that's already established on your property is to apply a post-emergent herbicide. Look for a product that includes common groundsel in its label. To control common groundsel growing in warm season turf, we recommend Fahrenheit Herbicide. If you're in the northern United States with cool season turf, we'll provide a different product recommendation later in the video when we cover prevention. Back to Fahrenheit, this product is a water dispersible granule made with dicamba and metsulfuron methyl. To control common groundsel, the label explicitly states you may apply 6 to 12 ounces of the product mixed in 20 to 80 gallons of water to treat 1 acre of treatment area. In smaller spaces, we recommend the listed spot application rate of 0.2 ounces of the product mixed into 1 gallon of water to be applied over 1,000 square feet. Keep in mind that when making applications over St. Augustine grass, Bermuda grass, or zoysia grass, temporary stunting or chlorosis may occur. For these smaller applications, we recommend you mix and apply your product in a handheld sprayer. Spot treat any common groundsel you found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. A follow-up application may be necessary if signs of recovery are observed, especially if the plant's taproot is still alive. A reapplication with Fahrenheit may be made after 4 to 6 weeks. Applications are most effective when plants are newly emerged before flower formation. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. If you're situated in the northern United States with cool season grasses, then we recommend Expel turf herbicide. Expel turf herbicide is a suspended concentrate made with sulfentrazone. This product has both post-emergent and pre-emergent applications, but we'll focus on its pre-emergent uses for now. Pre-emergent herbicides create chemical barriers that stop weeds from sprouting or emerging. To prevent common groundsel from growing in cool season turf, mix 4 to 8 fluid ounces of concentrate in at least 10 gallons of water to apply over 1 acre. You may also apply this product over warm season turf at the mix rate of 8 to 12 fluid ounces of concentrate in at least 10 gallons of water to apply over 1 acre. Due to this product's high volume applications, high capacity equipment like a spray rig may be necessary. Once your product is thoroughly mixed, broadcast your solution evenly over the area. This application should be done in the late summer or early fall when plants have not yet sprouted. If seedlings have already emerged, then you'll need to use a post-emergent herbicide as discussed earlier. One of the best ways to control common groundsel after it's been eliminated from your property is to mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. A lawn dense with taller, trimmed grass is better able to choke out weeds and prevent them from establishment. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop unwanted plants like common groundsel from taking over your turf, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.